This feels like a first year vlog club, not gonna lie.
Ah, fuck, it did not work, guys. Chat, we failed.
Shut up.
Another L.
They asked me what I would do if I wouldn't pass. I guess we'll never know.
Good evening. So it's been a while and I'm in a new city, in a new room. As you might have understood if you saw my last vlog, which if you haven't, you should go check it out. Yeah, I live in Calcutta now. I am not in Maharashtra anymore. And yeah, I feel like every time I'm starting a vlog, there's always something new in my life. And that's a good thing, but like still. Anywho, I have to go to college one last time, OLT. But like this is like actually last because I will be presenting my final internship report. I'll be giving a presentation. And after that, I'll be getting my degree and I'll be fucking off from there. Yeah, I'll be graduating and that's very soon. That being said, I'm still like kind of lagging behind on my report work. I have to finish it in like 2-3 days so that I can submit it to my internal guide and they can approve it so that I can actually work on the presentation after the report. Yeah, that's a lot of work. I'm just listening to some music right now though. That's my iced coffee glass. That's my very old lamp. You can see it's over a now. That's Happy Dent. I'm stalking my friends that oops. So yeah, that's all that I'm doing right now. I will be adding the link to this very cool playlist that I've made. Actually, I have a lot of playlists, so you can check out my Spotify. I'll be adding the link in the description. You can check it out. I love making playlists. You'll find that out when you check out my profile because there are a lot of playlists. I have booked my tickets to go to Manipal, but I still haven't finished my report. And I have to go to Manipal in like less than a week now. Actually, exactly in a week from today. So I should lock the fuck in and finish my work. Also, you can see I got a haircut. Pretty evident, but yeah, I got a haircut. It's not looking perfectly perfect right now. Also, like the length is almost same because I like my length. But we got bangs again. And these are the new earrings that I'm wearing. I like the silver hoops. Yup. Okay, wait, we should.
Oh my God. What did you say? What did you say? Toda.
Toda.
Toda what? Toda Hindi.
Wrong place, Tari.
Toda sample. No, right now I don't have it. It's very bad.
This feels like a first year vlog club, not gonna lie.
Ah, fuck, it did not work, guys. Chat, we failed.
Shut up.
Another L in the chat. Oh my God, it's a
What did they do to campus store ka signboard? Look,
We so needed an Apple store on campus. Like, oh my God, what would I do without an Apple store on
There's an
campus?
Apple store on campus.
Yeah, right in front of FP1. I don't know why.
Because people break their phone. People like me, Tari, literally. This is bringing back a lot of bittersweet memories. I don't like seeing SP wet in rain.
I love recalling other people falling on their asses here.
This is insane, by the way. Like, I planned it. An Apple store inside. Talk about capitalism and spoil kids. I think that's a part of one of the vlogs, I think.
Yeah, it is, I remember. Or reel, I don't know. My birthday reel,
Maybe. You didn't post a story on a birthday, by the way. We have to talk about that.
I'll tell you, I have a goal.
We are too old.
What is wrong with you, bro?
I want someone to fall and it shouldn't be me.
I'm tight there. Oh no, it'll be you.
What the fuck?
It has to be you.
Do it for the last time. One for the last time.
That's
Actually fallen flat on her face.
Actually, no, it needs to fall again.
Shut the fuck up. Back on the vlog. Yeah, my wife is back on the vlog. Hi, doggy. Tareen when she remembers the stuff she has done for my
1,000 views over there.
Hey, peak fresher behavior.
Yeah, I don't believe.
Aditi emoting.
Actually, guys, we're all first years here. Oh my god, I look horrible. Hey, where to sit? Where do I put my where do I wash my hands?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Hi bye beaches fans.
Are you?
I am the
Got
number
a new
one.
pen. Lost and found.
Guys, stop stealing things.
That was Tareen's
I
pen.
lost it in
Tareen lost it in second year.
Yeah.
And she found it back. It's crazy how things return to you. I think it's a lesson.
Exactly.
What you love comes right back to you.
Right.
I asked for a pen, got it.
Maybe my last talking stage would also be found.
No, I like the one with like numbers on it. I think we should steal that.
I wanted a pen.
You should steal that.
Steal it later.
Yeah.
We'll steal it later.
I didn't record that, by the way.
What does Amitabh Bachchan say?
Hi.
My name is Aditi Srivastava.
What?
What does he say though?
No, but there's no. I might have this last time.
No, he is also Srivastava. No, Amitabh Bachchan is Srivastava.
Oh yeah.
Srivastava.
Right.
He's not
This is what the BlackRock people are doing. I think we're joining them.
The temptation to like just hit her knee down so that both of them fall.
Do it. Who's stopping you?
She got to you. Reason?
Did she fail?
No.
Fail.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's rare.
No.
Krishna,
Fail.
we will talk later.
I'm a topper. I know.
Yes. Explain.
Yeah, so I have two trimmers, okay?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
My first trimmer is the one which I use for like here,
Yeah,
which is like for a hard shave.
Yeah.
The soft shave, where like I keep some scruff,
Yeah.
is the other trimmer,
Yeah.
which fell in Goa and broke.
Goa the one time we went.
No, I went to Goa, abhi. I've come from Goa, abhi.
How was Goa? Very good.
I had the
Was it
best
raining?
food ever. Yeah.
What are you carrying in your hands?
Results, please. You cannot film results.
Right. This is the first and last time that I'm vlogging inside EDU building, by the way.
I don't mind.
Right. So this is the first and last time that I'm vlogging the EDU building, inside the EDU building.
First class बहुत कर लिया Manipal में. Chilling. We are just alumni.
Right.
Do you want the order of ranks?
पीछे से करेगा.
I will give the marks based on the ranking system.
Okay, sir.
Shreyas. Done a good job. You've been a good student.
Take a picture together.
Talk to me later. Neeraj. Sorry, that's the wrong. You passed.
Office.
Gautam.
अरे यार.
Both is not bad. Both is pretty good. Tareen and Isha Vivek Shetty.
Are we tied fifth?
No.
Oh.
Takshi Mishra.
Yeah.
You are next.
What's my position?
Why did you do that?
What's my position?
You're fifth.
Fuck off.
I think we lost.
Sujna Akela.
You're okay now.
You have passed.
Oh, it's between you and I.
They asked me what I would do if I wouldn't pass. I guess we'll never know. How in pageants the runners up hold each other's hands. You have to do that. Not but you have to hold each other's
I
hands.
have to.
He has to lift the one who won.
No, I'm talking
That's
about.
Zagrovli. That's not.
I'm talking in Miss World. They hold each other's hands.
Please, this bro.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Shetty. I know you're gonna win this. Don't worry.
I know I'm going to pass this too. Say it already.
Are you gonna pull a Stephen?
Rishabh.
Oh.
You have failed.
You have to be sad for it.
It's okay. It happens to the best of us.
No news, bro. How can I say no news?
She called you Kita.
She called herself a kutta. We are done with most of the paperwork. My phone space got full. That's the worst thing that can happen to me in Manipal when I'm literally out here after 7 months and my storage got full on like first hour of being here. So I'm using Vaj's phone to make vlogs. And shout out to Vajrang Sharan's iPhone 13. Because yeah, he's letting me record. So.
Sorry.
हवा चल
Oh, you too आगे now.
We were playing songs and then the song got forwarded. CD. My chewing gum fell on my fucking hair.
What fell?
Chewing gum.
What? Did you spit out loud?
No, my hair got stuck in my mouth. Oh
मैं खुद से ये कहता रहता हूँ तुझे बुला
ठीक है वी आर गोइंग हियर ताकि अपने बच्चों को बता पाए
देखो तुम आगे जाओ I don't trust her, she's gonna fall so bad. I hope not.
I don't know.
Not yet.
Don't touch it. I would like to take the left foot to walk first. Right foot. Left foot was.
काली खाली खाली रातों से होने लगी काली काली खाली
I can't see anyone again because I don't have a.
Yeah.
I heard the name, but I don't know how he looks. He looks hot. Is he the one with the braids?
Do I look hot?
I feel like I have a child. Oh yeah, right. That's.
This angle, you look
You should honestly go for a good football club. Look for hot guys and introduce them to me.
No, I plan to join some clubs.
Oh, have you seen that video where you go like, yeah,
I don't wanna do it.
I don't wanna show my feet, bro. Feet pics.
This is Raj's phone, by the way.
Mattu is just cheap Maravante. It's just Sasra Maravante. Maravante is the goat. Maravante
तू गई है Maravante?
Yeah, I feel good.
कौन सी जगह में गए मालूम है आपको?
मैं मरवंती गई नहीं हूँ मैं
वो किधर गए मालूम है? इस तरफ समंदर है। वो जगह में गए ना?
हाँ उधर गई हूँ मैं
वो
उसका
उधर ही
नाम
है ना?
कुछ और नहीं था
नहीं वो तो डेल्टा बीच में से मरवानी के थोड़ा पीछे आएगा ना?
हाँ
उधर पहले ये किंग लोग हैं ना?
हाँ
ये क्या बोलते हैं? पी होते हैं।
अच्छा
वो ऊपर बैठ के समंदर दिखते।
I haven't vlogged in one whole day, and that's because Vajrang Sharan was not around, and I don't have a storage space on a phone left, so I'm not able to vlog the entire trip. By the way. But yeah.
Why is your phone there? Don't forget it please.
Bro, just put literally. I have ordered food, and now we're going to City Arena to play pool. I don't even know how to play pool. By
I
the way.
teach you. I taught Sujna also.
Okay. Take my phone off from the elevator wall.
I know how to play computer. I've been to us.
And the entire day I've not been able to vlog because I didn't have my phone. I mean, I had my phone, but I don't have storage space. So I'm dependent on people. And I can't ask everyone to like give me their phone to record. So was is someone that I'm relying on because Tareen and Rati also don't have space. Also, my voice is gone. Huh? You have space?
Yeah.
I thought that's why.
You never asked me because my phone is 12. I thought because
I just assumed that
I
you don't
have
have
2
space.
TV iCloud.
Guys, we just found a new camera. And she lives with me. Let's go. I have missed emerald cats. Her tail is so pretty.
excited.
3.
This just feels
Do you
like
think-
nothing ever changed.
Right?
It's just her and me chilling,
Right.
going from one place to another.
And I'm
We have 2 umbrellas by the way, and it's raining.
And we are. Yeah, one sec.
What is up, guys? So this is the spot where I fell yesterday, bro. It was insane. I've got war wounds from that.
Show your war wounds.
I should. Beauty policies will be banned. I'm injured
It's
a
not
lot.
nakedness. Wait, what?
Here.
Nudity.
I have here also. Here also I have bruises. Everything. I'm a
Right.
bruised warrior.
She fell in the ditch, bro.
in the gutter, bro.
In the trenches.
In the trenches. That was the lowest point of my life. Either Rakhi or Shanti Priya ki lash, that's my ego. My ego and self-esteem damaged, gone. Social standing gone.
Right. So vlog update. We are going to City Arena to play pool. These are the 2 dogs just standing with us because it's raining. And I offered them umbrella and now they are standing under umbrellas. And we have more friends joining us. Guys, we have the doggy under the umbrella and now he's with us. He's one of us. Uska friend chala gaya udhar. But वो umbrella के नीचे खड़ा है.
One then.
Yo! Say hi to the vlog.
I tuned out after second semester.
Say hi to the vlog. Say
Yeah,
hi to
I
the
want Raju ki Shai. I miss Bombay. I want Raju ki Shai.
This is Jay Patel. Not actually been on the vlog a lot.
What?
You haven't been on the.
Yeah, I've not been on the vlog. Just one vlog.
Oh yeah, you have. ये लोग मेरे को कच्चा नींबू बुला रहे हैं because I don't know how to fucking eat ball. We are playing pool. This is Jay Patel with us. Jay Patel in the house.
Bro, I look old now. You know, like I've been acting old as well. Do I act old? I think so.
No, you don't.
Not a student anymore. I feel like I'm not a student anymore, and it sucks.
We're starting.
Hey guys, this is Srisha's phone. Shout out to Srisha's phone. I feel like in the end of this video, मेरे को एक वो acknowledgement डालना पड़ेगा. Every camera that has been used in this video vlog. I have been using 3 different phones अभी तक. Vajay मेरा तुम्हारा. अभी I think तरीन का memory full है और Aditi आंटी का call आया है. Do you want to tell the audience what you're doing right now?
I'm actually craving Shai, bro.
We got Jay Patel in the house having chai at Adhika. और वो ऑमलेट के साथ मिली हुई ब्रेड को डिप करने वाला है इस चाय में.
He cannot digest the fact that I'm gonna do this.
Do it.
Bro. अबे चूंटी है. जल्दी कर देख लेंगे लोग.
गार्लिक ब्रेड थी क्या? गार्लिक ब्रेड चाय.
Garlic bread with Shai.
Oh, my God, already. Let's go there. You guys go a little ahead. I'll open my umbrella also.